Don't get stranded. The best car emergency kits and tool sets you need right now. Imagine being stuck on a dark highway with a flat tire, a dead battery, or no idea how to handle a roadside emergency. Scary, right? That's why having the right car emergency kit or tool set isn't just smart, it's essential. From compact portable toolkits to all-in-one roadside safety kits with air compressors and jumper cables, today we're breaking down the best options on the market so you can decide which one fits your needs, lifestyle, and budget. All the links are in the description below, so if one catches your eye, you can check it out instantly. Number 6. First Secure Car Emergency Kit. Stranded on the road? The First Secure Car Emergency Kit turns stressful roadside scenarios into manageable tasks with its all-in-one approach. This kit packs a portable air compressor, jumper cables, first aid supplies, a tow strap, tire gauge, and headlamp in a compact, easy-to-store bag. Designed for everyday drivers, teens, and families. The copper-clad aluminum jumper cables deliver reliable power, while the 11.8-foot, 10,000-pound high-tensile nylon tow strap outperforms many flimsy alternatives, and the air compressor allows quick tire inflation via a 12-volt outlet. Compared with the EVERLIT kit, it lacks some tech-forward features like a digital air compressor and a larger first aid kit, but it remains solid on core functionality, durability, and ease of use, with tools that are simple for novices to operate. While some components, like the headlamp and basic first aid, feel entry-level, the kit offers excellent value for money versus buying everything individually. Real-world users praise its reliability in handling dead batteries, flat tires, and minor injuries, making it a practical choice for everyday motorists who want preparedness without heavy investment. What do you think? Would you trust this kit for your next road trip? Pros: includes a wide range of essentials, durable cable and tow strap, compact and easy to store. Cons: some components are basic. Air compressor is adequate but not class-leading. Lacks extras like fire extinguisher or shovel. Number 5. YATOINTO 2-ton car scissor jack kit. Changing a flat tire doesn't have to feel like a workout thanks to the YATOINTO 2-ton car scissor jack kit. Designed for sedans, hatchbacks, and light SUVs, this kit includes a scissor jack that lifts up to 2 tons, a ratchet wrench, lug wrench, and universal sockets, all in a compact, trunk-friendly package. Many users appreciate the ratchet-assisted handle, which reduces effort compared to crank-only jacks, and the high-strength steel construction provides reasonable durability for everyday use. Compared with heavier trolley or bottle jacks, it trades raw lifting power for portability and affordability, making it perfect as an emergency backup. Some reviewers note that parts feel lightweight and occasional greasing of the threads improves operation, but for the price, it's hard to beat for casual drivers. If you've ever struggled to change a tire on the roadside, this kit makes it easier and more efficient. Which would you choose? This compact scissor jack or a bulkier trolley jack for your car? Pros: portable and lightweight, includes essential tire change tools, good value for money. Cons: build quality can vary, not ideal for larger vehicles, requires careful placement and effort. Number 4. EVERLIT Survival Car Emergency Kit. If you want a truly comprehensive roadside kit, the EVERLIT Survival Car Emergency Kit has you covered. It combines a digital auto air compressor with auto shutoff, 12-foot 300-amp jumper cables, a 108-piece first aid kit, tow strap, flashlight, gloves, and even extras like a reflective warning triangle, glass breaker, and poncho. Unlike the First Secure kit, EVERLIT leans into tech-forward features, making tire inflation precise and safe. In real-life scenarios, the tire inflator and jumper cables perform reliably, and the organized bag ensures you can access tools quickly during stressful situations. Some users report the compressor struggles with larger truck tires and the flashlight could be brighter, but overall, This kit offers one of the most complete emergency solutions on the market. For families, daily commuters, and road trip lovers, it's hard to beat. But is the extra tech worth the slightly higher price? Let me know what you think in the comments. Pros: 108-piece kit, digital tire inflator, long jumper cables, and useful extras. Cons: flashlight is basic, compressor struggles with large tires, bag organization could be better. Number 3. TLGREEN 95-piece tool set. Looking for a versatile toolkit that covers both home and light car maintenance? The TLGREEN 95-piece tool set is a great option, offering adjustable wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, sockets, bits, and a ratchet handle in a compact, portable plastic toolbox. Heat-treated, carbon steel tools deliver decent strength for general repairs, and the case keeps everything organized. Compared with smaller kits like the Apollo 56-piece set, TLGREEN provides more tools and broader socket coverage, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts, apartment dwellers, and casual garage use. Advanced mechanics may find it less suitable for heavy automotive work, but for everyday tasks, it's solid, reliable, and good value. Have you ever needed a toolkit for a quick car fix at home? This one covers almost everything without cluttering your space. Pros: wide selection of tools, durable construction, compact toolbox. Cons: case hinges/clasps less sturdy, not for heavy-duty repair, lacks some specialty tools. Number 2. Apollo Tools 56-piece compact SAE auto tool set. For drivers, travelers, or motorcycle riders who need a compact, portable set for minor fixes, the Apollo Tools 56-piece SAE auto tool set is ideal. It includes essential sockets, hex keys, pliers, a bit, driver, tire gauge, and a 3/8-inch ratchet handle in a zippered case with elastic straps to keep everything in place. Heat-treated, chrome-plated tools resist corrosion and meet ANSI standards, making this kit reliable for roadside adjustments or minor repairs. Compared with a basic 39-piece household set, Apollo offers more coverage in a smaller, organized package, perfect for glove compartments, backpacks, or saddlebags. Some users note the elastic holders could be sturdier, and SAE sizing may not fit all metric vehicles, but it's an excellent starter toolkit for travel emergencies. Could this be the perfect compact kit for your car or motorcycle? Pros: compact and organized, broad range of tools, heat-treated and ANSI certified. Cons: case/elastic could be stronger, limited to SAE sizes, not for heavy-duty work. Number 1. VCAN Active Car Emergency Kit. Finally, the VCAN Active Car Emergency Kit is an all-in-one roadside companion for teens, families, and daily commuters. It combines a portable air compressor, heavy-duty jumper cables, a first aid kit, and other safety gear in a durable carry bag, providing everything you need to handle flat tires, dead batteries, minor injuries, or visibility hazards. Compared with First Secure, it's slightly less rugged in some components, but its thoughtful layout and usability make it an excellent option for novice drivers. Real-world users appreciate the convenience of having long cables for jump starts and a compact, organized bag that can also double as a gift for new drivers. Some components feel entry-level, and the compressor can be noisy, but overall, it delivers solid value for everyday road safety. Would you pick this one for peace of mind on your daily drives or weekend trips? Pros: portable and organized, air compressor and long jumper cables, suitable for a wide range of drivers. Cons: compressor noisy, some entry-level components, can be bulky in very small vehicles. If you found this guide useful, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite kit, and don't forget to subscribe for more car gear reviews. All the links are in the description, so you can grab the perfect kit today.